Welcome back to another episode of Yummzy Recipe. Today's recipe is dedicated to everyone who loves Indian food but can't always enjoy it due to the fact it has a little bit of high carbs or it has a bit of gluten or this or that. What are we making today? We're making onion Bhaji. Yes, you heard that right. Onion Bhaji, gluten-free. Are you serious? Yes, I am. Onion Bhaji that's also keto. No way. I am serious. It's keto, it's gluten-free, and it's vegan. This is what we're going to be making in the kitchen today. Now, I understand the traditional one is very high carb. I understand we almost just lick it as diabetics and we have to inject for that. But today's one is going to be super low carb, very healthy ingredients, lots of amazing spices, and we're going to make this Diwali very, very special for you and your loved ones. Let's go get cooking and see how we're going to make these guys. Now, just a word of advice. Of course, it's your choice what oil you choose to fry in, but we will use coconut oil for frying. And of course, you also have the option of just spreading it on top of the bhajis and put them on a tray and then stick them in the oven. And that way it has much less oil than frying them. But I need to do this quickly because we have guests coming very soon. See you guys in the kitchen. Let's go. I will start by adding the chia seed, water and oil. Then I will combine all the other ingredients. So that's my onions. And these are my spices and flowers. And here is the salt and the curry powder. So now I'm just going to be shaping it into small balls, flattish balls. We're just gonna fry it now. Keto onion Bhaji. Now, I'm actually very impressed with the consistency of it and how it kept through the frying. So I'm gonna look forward to the taste now. I'm impressed with the consistency and I am impressed with the flavor. So guys, just to remind you, onions are not a low carb or keto vegetable. And being root vegetables, they do, well, not root vegetables per se, but they are higher carb than other vegetables. Now, in this case, we are mixing it with almond flour, we're mixing it with low carb coconut flour, we're mixing it with a lot of other ingredients. So actually, all in all, it is truly keto. I can enjoy this and not need to inject any insulin for it. I hope you enjoy it too. I think I added a little bit too much curry powder and spice to it. Well, not the curry powder, more the pepper, the chillis that we sliced, but it's just perfect. I love spicy food, so I'm gonna enjoy the pain and the suffering that comes with this. Enjoy, guys, and if you don't like it as spicy as mine, just reduce the amount of chili. So instead of 3 chilies, maybe just use 1 to give it that flavor, but not be too spicy. Enjoy! I forgot to say Happy Diwali, guys! And lots of light and lots of prosperity and blessings. Happy Diwali!